Flip-flop factories don't want you to know this hack. So guys, check this out. If your flip-flop breaks like that, do you throw it away? Or you try to use a nail, screw, piece of wire, or any other object to try to fix it? You don't need any of that. I'm gonna show you now a very useful and easy way. It's gonna look like new and you won't spend absolutely nothing. Come on. And for that, folks, go ahead and take any piece of cutlery. Actually, take one that you don't use much, maybe an old or cheap one. Here's the flip-flop, and as you can see, it's still pretty new, because recently I ended up breaking it by accident. But the thing is, if you put a nail or a screw here, it will drag on the floor, damage the rubber, and also make noise. And as everybody knows, it's pretty annoying, isn't it? So you really don't need this. This is what you do. First, get a piece of cutlery. Then go ahead and heat this up until really hot. So now, put it there and leave it until it's piping hot, alright? And like I said, get an old one that you don't use much, because this piece is gonna get a little messy after that. So make sure to pick one that you don't care about getting it messed up eventually. Alright, I'm gonna leave this here heating up and then I'm gonna show you. Alright guys, and check it out. At this point, you can already turn off the heat. And now you're gonna do the following. Look, grab the flip-flop and let's position the hot tool right here. Then take this circle and put it over here. And then just put it back together, gluing it back to the flip-flop. Then just try to position it as best as you can. After that, let's wait a little bit and then I'm gonna show you the result. So guys, here it is, a couple of minutes later, and look how it turned out. You see, it's pretty firm, so it won't come off easily. There will be maybe minor imperfections, but it's quite normal. But with time, any minor imperfections like this will wear out with use, as it will be in contact with the floor. But look, it holds perfectly, it doesn't come off. And it fits perfectly back. So that's it folks, brand new flip-flops. So guys, if this happened to you, you broke it or tore it apart, don't throw it away. And don't use nails or screws. Try this tip next time, because I'm sure it will save you a lot.